How you guys doing today? Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on the Camry. Here's the part number for the filter that I'm going to be using. It's OEM. So I just went ahead and took out all the stuff from my glove box. So you're going to want to go here and I'm going to go ahead and take off this tab. Just pry it out with your finger. And then there's going to be two tabs on your left side. They kind of slide into it like that. So just put that on the side. I'm going to leave that here. Next, I'm going to start over here on this side. There's a tab on the right side. Right here. Gonna need two fingers to pry this out. There we go. Gonna have to wiggle this out. So after it gets wiggled out, there's two little tabs on the other side, but you're gonna kind of have to wiggle it downwards and out. That makes sense. Just like that. It's a tight fit. So you do notice that it says up right here, and it also says up over there. It's the housing itself. Gonna go ahead and slide this out, and there's the filter itself. There's some debris. Alright, so this is what the part that filters it out. So it's gonna go literally up. Take this out. Alright, so here's the new filter right here. No dirt, as you can see. I did notice that it has the same up logo, so let me go ahead and take this one out of its housing, and we'll go from there. I'll inspect it. See, it says up right there. So it just folds. It should come out. There we go. So there you go, same logo right there. It says up. So I'm literally gonna install it the same way. So this thing looks like a little basket. So there's the up logo. Slide it in there. Kind of push it a little. Slide it into place. Now it's in. And literally just gonna slide this thing in all the way. Should click maybe. Nope, it just gets into position. So that's there. Now I'm just going to install this other cover that says up. And there we go. It's into place. So what you want to look for is this tab and this tab right here, that they line up and they slide into place. Lastly, this bracket, right? Well, this cover, it just has to work its way in here. It's just a little tight right there, but there we go. It slides in and it slips back into place, and that's how you install your cabin air filter on your 2020 Camry or the 8th gen Camry. You can now close your glove box, put all your stuff in there, and you should be able to be good to go. So this is the old cabin air filter. As you guys can see, it was pretty dirty. After 30,000, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty nasty. So yeah, this is gonna go in the trash. Yeah, hopefully you guys save some money. Instead of going to the dealership, you guys do it yourselves. Really easy to do. Yeah, so let me know if this video was helpful, and go ahead and subscribe, give me a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550.